So my alarm just went off and ended my video. Hopefully I can splice these two pieces together. I was planning on not editing this. Anyway, so this recipe, it says it makes 1 to 2 servings. Well, I'm gonna drink this whole thing. Let's see. It's a little sweeter than I'm used to. I wanna guess because of the protein powder. I don't know, it says 0 sugar. But I couldn't see on the, of course I didn't have my glasses with me. Anyway, yeah, it's really mild. I like it. I like it. So anyway, that's it today. I'll be back tomorrow with another recipe. See ya.